Here at West Special Fasteners in Dronfield, Derbyshire, they've been producing special nuts and bolts since 1999. They've been used as far away as Singapore and as deep as the Mariana Trench. And today we're here to find out how their new machine tool investment is helping them to produce bolts faster than ever.
I'm Simon Grass-Smith. I'm the Business Development Manager for West Special Fasteners. So we've worked on some exciting projects over the past few years. We've done components for Triton submarine that went to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. We work on HMS Victory on a big restoration project, and also the Helix Bridge in Singapore, which is a fantastic bridge designed to look like a strand of human DNA. Like, it's more art than engineering. Over the last few years, we've sort of noticed that we've sort of grown to fit our surroundings. We've noticed sort of peaks and troughs in demand from customers, and some repeating patterns of getting to the busiest times of year and noticing that, you know, we're approaching capacity on the shop floor, meaning that potentially customer lead times might have to increase. So one of the ways that we've decided to try and combat this, or approach it from a positive point of view, is by going for the new Nakamura machine, the AS200L, and we feel that machine in particular, given that it's twin spindled and can perform multiple functions in one go, is going to help us in terms of production time, which the idea is it will help us reduce costs for customers and also improve our lead times for customers as well on certain components.
This AS200LY is the first machine on site with a sub spindle, and Rob here is already making top quality parts in one hit.
My name is Rob Hewitt. I am the CNC shop lead here at West Special Fasteners. We create specialist fasteners and fixings for a range of industries, subsea, oil and gas, things like that. Most of the components that we make are relatively simple. Nuts, bolts, screws, that type of thing. The hard part of the job is the materials. Our standard material that we make stuff out of is duplex, and we're ranging up to super duplex, Inconels, all those types of nasty materials. So that's the hardest part of the job. We went through quite a lot of machines, different suppliers. We nailed it down to a couple. We looked at Nakamura from ETG. The sales and support that we could get from ETG was the best. The parts are readily available in the country. The service that's available to us is a lot better than some other suppliers that we're looking at. So we went with Nakamura, as we know it's a good product, and the support were really good for us. Yeah, we've got advanced load monitor on it, so we're finding that with the type of materials that we run, you have to have somebody stood there a lot of the time monitoring the machine constantly, because tool life drops off a cliff rather quickly. So we need the tool monitor on it. Lets the machine detect that before it does, so we don't have to have an operator stood there. So we can have sister tools paired up, so when a tool load has got up to a certain percentage, it'll automatically move away, switch to a sister tool, and then carry on running. So it gives us a lot of leeway that we don't have to be stood watching it all the time. At West Special Fasteners we have a full service, so we've got a forging section which saves us a lot of time and saves us customers a lot of money. We can forge heads down on parts or forge nuts from solid, so we've got a lot less scrap material, so we can have a smaller bar size to start off with. It saves a lot of time and saves a lot of money as well. ETG service and parts that we can get, a lot of their parts are UK based, a lot of their service engineers, I think they've got two specifically in Yorkshire and Derbyshire area. So if we have a machine breakdown, obviously as a manufacturing company we need it to be back up as fast as possible. with having the parts in the UK and the service engineers relatively nearby, that can happen pretty quickly, which is one of the big reasons we went with ETG.
Well, given the machine's capabilities, also Rob's knowledge about the machine, and the fact that it is multifunctional compared to our existing machines, which are more sort of one role per machine and have to be closely monitored by a staff member, this machine's capabilities align with where we're wanting to go in terms of production. It can sort of be left without monitoring as much, which frees up more time for setting other machines, performing other functions within the factory. So freeing up manpower is always a great thing. And we're confident that the machine, its capabilities, the way that we plan to use it out on the shop floor will definitely go towards boosting our capacity and what we're capable of producing for the customer. We couldn't be happier with the machine that we've purchased. It's a fantastic machine. We've already got it manufacturing components out on the shop floor as we speak, and the customer service from ETG has been fantastic. It's been everything that we've looked for. Very happy overall.